him no need nothing from. Who him no need no strength from. You see? Me don't point that out. Me don't tell a long time say 2 lakhs a devil. Uno burn me out. But uno come see now say 2 lakhs a devil. To the point where Foota now I call 2 lakhs fish. The same 2 lakhs will burn me out say anybody will come boy with righteousness, me go against them. And say Foota one of the man will come with righteousness and me go against Foota. Foota now I call him fish. Him and Foota go at it now. To the Ibala say, me see some pussy attack. So Ibala say Foota pussy now. Autoimmune disease, they start feed by themselves. So watch a height of evilness you know. See? Watch a height of evilness here. But before even the evil part, you see Jeffrey? You see you know Jeffrey? Me talk about you already, you know. But you're not learn. You're not learn youth. You're not learn. Enough things you're not learning. You know. First thing you don't understand where you're dealing with. You're dealing with dancehall space. You have other links where you can interview other people like the ball and the man and thing there, but you love dancehall and you love the space. But dancehall is a hardcore space. So even when you do the interview and you say what you say, it no belong in a dancehall, you know. And true we know say a hypocrite them attack against you. Make we show them out say them a hypocrite, you know. But what you say no belong in a dancehall, you know. In a your world, them things they good alright, you know. But you don't belong in a dancehall and the people them supposed to make you know that. A wrong talk you make you know when you belong in a dancehall. It's a come down talk you make you know. Remember you always love tell people to come down. It's a come down talk you make in a real life. You see? So when I defend what you say, you know, we are sure people say people where born you out are hypocrite. Because them have people where them they're around and them want to be around. We are the worst than you. When them say, actually I put them mouth there. And I name from there. Right round there. So we are saying, oh, you know, burn out them people and I cut off them people. But them want to cut off you. But you don't say nothing right. We not defend what you say. Because it not belong in a dancehall space. So beating where you get from people where no hypocrite is a justified beating, you know. But the problem is, you don't understand, say, when you make them talk, then you see people who beat you. You feel just love it. Because you can't say nothing if it ever change. The people them will make up their mind, say, where you say wrong. Or the people them are cultured that way there. Or the people them will not support them thing there. They interview them and they try to say, yo, yeah, try argue that point. It's a point where you can't argue. There is no way you can argue that point if you win the argument there. And everybody in the diaspora where you connect with support that. You're not going to win the argument there, bro. So there comes a time when you have to say, yo, that we make a wrong talk, loud attack there. But you feel like say maybe through your platform popular and maybe because the people them, you know, in a one part of the world like you and your party still sell off and them things, that's okay, but obviously it's bothering you. That's why you still talk about it. And still make people draw you into talk about it. You feel just make that dead, brother. If I want one mistake, why you just say, yo, that dead? And when you hear some man attack, you just know say that dead. Because nobody come say that boy, you know, little bro. And you come say that boy yourself, and I like we can defend you and say, I like them a tell for you, make them a try and make up things for you. And you come say that, you know, bro. And you come tell the world that, you come tell the world where you are going with in your privacy. Nobody never, you see me I say, make up that story upon you. For you come say, people wicked and bad mind and lie. So friend of you come say that you have to say, yo, you make a wrong talk and take that brother. You see? You make a wrong talk. If it's a fraudulent slip, I just one of them things that you are that and that just so good. You better take that out there if you want to be a part of dancehall culture. Or a part of the hardcore circle. You see? So, you know, gone to an interview with 2Lakhs. What you didn't hope to accomplish from that interview there, or that sit down there with 2Lakhs? You know what's 2Lakhs and platform? You don't know nothing about, you interview 2Lakhs. You don't know nothing about 2Lakhs them. Remember say 2Lakhs them tell life on Silent River, you know. I make him have a run when I can't go back to Jamaica, you know. Remember say Foota Hype and 2Lakhs tell life on Silent River, you know. Because Silent River heard and go show himself to a transgender when think of one girl, and they put 2 different people in a video and say a Silent River are the same person when are 2 separate people. And 2Lakhs say him actually sit down and watch the video. And because me found out I say Foota Hype you can't, I say the youth for dead. Or the youth can't go, I try to set up the youth life. And the man comes up, boom, and just go on the platform, this is 2Lakhs, and just say, Vegas, you have to come out a different Silent River and your name call upon them thing there. And I say, this is the brother when me and him talk all the while on the phone, you know. So if you want my brethren, and you come to Budu, see, and you say, loud that Vegas and made it on the phone. You know, just link me and just say, Vegas, loud that, you know. Loud that man, you don't know them people that really love chat things and really just loud that. No, the man go do a whole flag. So me say, I don't understand what that statement I mean. And from that, me and him, from that, me not like him. Me not deal with him. Me burn him. Everything. Straight fire. So what you did what you accomplish? If you go up on film platform, go and do a sit down. So watch this now. You find out now say my devil. You see say my devil. But you learn the hard way. And you make this conversation here. Keep going. You interview the baller and everybody has share your interview with the baller. When more than that you want you? All Fox, Sky News, everywhere in the world, TVJ, the people must say them now come on your platform over there and watch the interview with Leon Bailey. When more than that you want? When more than that you hope to accomplish? No, you know what? You want to be over dancehall world. You want to prove to dancehall world, say you not say nothing wrong. So you're going to link up with 2Lakhs and make him 3 carry. Carter? You're going to link up with 2Lakhs and make him on 3 carry. You see? So watch this now, people. Me go down, break down on this. 2Lakhs go interview, invite Jeffrey to him real interview. Listen me good enough. So him and Jeffrey do the interview. So them had sit down the same guy. In this side, him want to sit down with this quote-unquote shaky person. You see it? Him decide now say, him want to sit down with this quote-unquote shaky person. So him had an interview to correct the shaky person. Right? So obviously that's his intention. Was. Because I must correct, you want to correct something with the man I do wrong. Make you sit down with him. Alright? Fine. So you link with the man and they do an interview. So of course you know Jeffrey is not a dunce. You know, so Jeffrey is a man I go hold him one and him I go stand him ground. And him I go still argue the points them with Tulax. So them do the interview. See? According to Tulax, right? Them do the interview, upload the Tulax, upload an interview. They did a sit down, you know. First thing, in a mass communication 101, you learn, say, when you conduct an interview, or thereabout, or an experiment or whatever, the participants, they have to give you a written agreement or they have to some form of agreement based on what you want them to talk about. And if they're satisfied with the interview, then them give you okay, the permission, and you can post the interview. That you know, mass communication 101. Them you know, them have to approve the interview. So Tulax posted the interview. An interview. Excuse me. Posted an interview, not the interview. An interview.
We're Rain Boots, and we love the Roomba Combo J9 Plus robot.
It scrubs up all our muddy foot.
And after I post the interview, him take down the interview. So everybody now, watch the interview now, and two people grab two little clippings from it before it comes down. Two little vlogger grab two little clippings. Alright? But you know what happened? When you do the interview and the people them see this straight man here, when burn out silent them and be things and burn out shaky this straight man from part of Straight Nation an interview a quote unquote shaky man in the same pocket, the people them start burn fire. And I say, lift up. So in take down the interview, everybody at search. Everybody know a search for the interview. Yeah, only little vlogger them will catch 2 minutes and 3 minutes. So Foota now, remember we're not talking about Foota now with big, but he's a part of the reasoning. So we're not talking about him because we don't talk about Foota. Foota now see the clip in them where I circulate and follow Tulax. I say, Fry, you go sit down with fish. You a fish. You feel burn up too. And follow him. Good. So them beat Tulax about a week and he can't take a beating no more. He put up an interview and explained today what happened. He put up an interview today and he explained what happened. Huh? Here's his explanation. Hold on. Gotta feel the explanation, people. Just hold on, man. Alright, so this is the explanation. The explanation, yeah.
Video, spice it up, make sure people know where me I come from. There would have been no flow. One would have confused. It could have just all open, create like a structure. But as I take up the corrupt part, the man just piece about everything is manufactured in piece. There would have been no flow. One would have confused. It could have just all over the place. And guess what I type in the comment section? All these interviews all over the place. So in my head, me I react back to some of the things stance already on certain things. So me feel like me I gotta be me, my full self. Like how I always express myself, but the woman, them, man, everybody. Me just gonna react in a true way how I feel. See, and put in some things in the video. You know, spice it up, make sure people know where me I come from. With that something, and I say, can connect back to everything what I said in the interview. Which part of the wrong was this? I should have get Jeffrey attention to make him fully overstand what me I gonna do, because guess what? Me I gonna improvise vague. Very vague. So when me tell Jeffrey so me I gonna improvise, naturally he probably thinks me I gonna, you know, take out the corrupted part and connect it back how it can connect and it still have a flow. So improvise. When me tell the chief so me I gonna improvise it vague. But in my head, I tell him so me I gonna do this, so me I gonna know, like put in some parts and whatever the case.
You see you, Jeffrey? You're gonna learn, you know. You chat come while you come boy, you're at the top and up, you're lonely. You come here get it lonely for blood clot through. You come here get it lonely for you. You come tell the people boy, you're at the top and up, they're lonely. Your blood clot. You see massacre them around you and interview Friday anybody. You see massacre at the top and the up there. You're at the top of you. You're lonely for you. Eh? Look where you can get yourself in a problem. You know I just load the blood thing. You don't load the thing that you're lonely. You're at the top and lonely. You interview Leon Bailey. How the fuck we come back? How you come down to make 2 lakhs trick you? You want 2 lakhs to know people. Based on my interpretation of what he said. And you can draw your own interpretation. Him and the man did the interview. Him says some part of the file corrupted. So him call him and say, you know, so some part of the file corrupted, so I'm going to improvise vid. Baby, the man here improvise vid, you know. Because you hear him say vid like while you never hear the vid, you know. Me I'm going to improvise vid. You know what that mean? You know what that mean? Improvise vid. So when him tell the man say some part corrupted, him say him think say the man about think say him a go cut out the little, you know, nice corrupted part and join back the interview so everything good, so the man left it up to him, you know, the man to people. The man take out the part then where him and Jeffrey are sit down and have a man-to-man reasoning. And Jeffrey I make him point and him I make him point and improvise vid and put some different talking points from himself to make it look like say Jeffrey company platform and him just deal with him wicked. Because he knows say my people like foot have upon him. So him trick the youth, claims the video corrupted, cut out theme part them when him and the man a roll a conversation in a real time and go improvise vid and add in new vocal, new audio and post it. That a heights of blood that wickedness. And at them say they go a better school than me and they have better education than me. You see? And people from Harvard come interview them. And if me ever get invited to the University of the West Indies and you break one of the basic rules in a mass communication 101. Basic rule. Not making it clear so the interviewee was gonna be sabotaged. Him man have a reasoning. Him and the man sit down and reason And the man making points and he making points and he making points. He take out 15 points then. Because he knows that foot and beer people now go pre him and put in different talking points over where the man has say. And at them there you call friend Jeffrey. You're lonely at the blood clot top. You're going to find out the hard way. Say them blood clot in a dance hall no nice. You have some people who come to the dance hall and never make nothing in a dance hall and them bitter brother. Them things that them did for boss and have things in a dance hall and them never get them due in a dance hall. And them very bitter. And them very angry. And when them see a youth a strive, them wait for the moment to tear down. You see that mistake the way you go make? And milk him, try milk it on him platform for eat a food, you know. Because him knows if him bring you and him going to get the views. But him also want to get the views at the expense of tearing you down, youth. Of further cancelling you. You know, no glad sense. Him a make sure say all who never did know say this go on. Say you did say so. Because the algorithm pick up Jeffrey and it all over. The man take you, ambush you, can you, override what you and him talk about, face to face, take out theme part basically, override theme part, and upload it. And when he start get beaten, he take it down. Because if not even that could have saved him. And his excuses, him did not worry about your feelings. His excuses, the reason why I take down the video, him did not worry about how you feel. Because you may feel, say him shouldn't did do that. When it was not done in real time. When he had how much hours and how much time to post that, think about it and everything, but him still make it go live. So we now can talk about it. And you think so them are your blood clot friend. You have to learn youth. Enough people they there on the top and lonely. And because they want fucking company, them they don't a ground now. Can't rise again. Over the years I stay by myself. If me I go nowhere, and me and people we at work. If me I go stage show, and me and people we at work. Nobody know they around me when I work. Anywhere me I go, and me and my woman and my pitney them. Yeah. When me there at Jamaica, me stay at my yard and watch TV or go live. You see me go live, all of them, majority of them people outside that Imhotep them and a few other people know me in a real life. Them people that come on my page right now when me talk to, them don't know me in a real life. So me still a youth with trad alone. Them just come and see me by so and who want come on and chat and type and then we go and go with separate ways. Via digital platforms. You want to be cool with them. You want them to be cool. You have to learn the hard way. You love over dancehall space, but you know no blood clot sense. Take it from me. You have to learn. You see what man do you? You see what him do? And guess what him do when him repost the video today? I explain what happened. I'm going to show you what him do. If you show you a long time, say them a coward. I'm going to show you say them a coward long time. And them just out here and make people think say them are smarty. May I show you them a coward? Look at this. Look on this. I'll show you something. Comments turned off. You see him post a video? I explain what happened. And him can't stand up to scrutiny. He will scrutinize every blood clot body. And call woman termite. Every time something happens with a woman and a man, he take the side of the man and call the woman them termites. You see that? Well, look here. him can't stand up to scrutiny. Him page, comment section turned off. The one time him come under the gun, he run. The one time. Because hear what them do now. Then create a niche market. To tear down people. Then create a niche market where them cultivate a certain way. And that same niche market when cultivated, it him can't stand up to know when him in the blood clot fire. I try to dash you in the fire, but not even him can stand up in it now. That's why I'm telling you, so when you see them boy talk about them straight, and boy talk and a bun people, and a this and a that, no pay them no mind people. Live on a life, and live on a life the best way you can live on a life, the most righteous way you can live on a life. Know who you are. No make no boy or no girl know who you are before you know yourself. When you know yourself and you know you stand on principle, nobody can move you. No boy can move me off of my principles. Because I deal with the righteousness and truth and balance. Me no point finger. You see? Me no point finger. Because when you point, then you point back on you. You see? Me live my life truthfully. Me live my life the righteous way. And when you live righteous, you don't look for tear down people every day. You don't get up every day and talk about fish and all them things that corrupt your cranium. You don't want that in your psyche. You don't want them things in your cranium. The images them where you want to have in your mind must be images where you can enjoy, where beautiful, where clean, where godly. Them not have that. That's why them create niche market to support their mindset, their narratives. You see what them do? Light a fire and can't stand up in it. And at them people beat me for. At them people cost me for. Look at it now. Look at it now. And one of his biggest supporter going at it on the internet. One of his biggest supporter. Watch it.
Intention and summits.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
Video, spice it up, make sure people know where me come from. We have address. Some of the waste people are trying to turn the intention and summits. And address. See? And why you not play domino? I chess me and play. I prepare for a long time. I'm so predictable.
Anybody that see the do the coach, them want to go over there, them want to do it. Anybody that see an interview, they do the man, them want to do it, them see benefit in it. For you to see me over there, for you to see me on the do the coach, for you to see me an interview to do the man, don't ask me nothing. When you need to go over the people, them comment section, go beat them. You understand what I say? Do
me and my God. No pussy can tell me my intention, and no boy can do something. Nothing. What you say? I try to turn it into them own bumbo clap bad mind and dirty pussy glad ways. And me, I be account to God, me say it again. Not
so you see somebody interview the do the man.
So you just know say, and you give account to God. So all the people when you get up and talk about week upon weeks, them not going to give account to God. You just know this. Say you have to give account to God. So why that not go say every bumbuckler body want to get up and talk about? Why don't you just allow everybody to give account to God if you don't believe in a God so much? Why don't you think say I want a duty to get up and call people termites and this and that and try to tear down people? Make everybody give account to God, no? If you don't just make everybody give account to God, the world is one better place, you know? Based on what you say, you know? Because you say you have to give account to God, brother. So now you're on the defense, I give account to God. You have to give account to God. Because foot type I say, you go up and do the coach. You can't have it both ways, brother. You can't have it both ways. Turn on your comment section and take a beating, man. Foot hype, send the beat of them over there. Stand up in a fire, man. Stand up in a clear fire. Turn on your comment section. You're fucking coward. And this just shows you you're weak, youth. You're not ready for your battle yet. You're not ready for stand up for righteousness sake yet. You're not ready. One little pressure your commander, you're locked down. Delete video, take down video. Lock down, trick the man. Override everything what you did say in the interview. Clear out what you did say. When you make it look like say you were against the man so much in the video that you scolded him. You brought him on a platform and you corrected him and you scolded him. And I quote Bible scriptures. Blessed is the man who walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly. That you quote to the man, you know. But it also said, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful, the blood clot idiot. You will take out one little part to suit your narrative. You never see part to say enough is sitting at the seat of the scornful. You never see that part at night. So you say, you're bright. Or you say you're smart. You say, you're no dunce. Me tell my virgin Chris say you don't have no sense, you know. Our virgin, me tell our virgin Chris say you don't have no sense, you know. Me tell you say you don't have no sense. You fool, you fuck. Turn on the comment section and take it beating. Turn on the comment section and man up your blood clot. Take a beating, man. You see? Big respect.